Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn science lesson 10, water. Our lesson name is water. So, in previous chapter we have learned about the air, but today we will learn about the water. So, children, water is very essential for our life. We cannot live without water. We need water for drinking, cooking, bathing, washing. So, children, not only human beings, but plants and animals also need water to grow. Plants and animals also need water to grow. So, we use water in many ways. See, I will show you the picture. The uses of water. See, cooking. We use water for cooking. Drinking. See, we use water for drinking. Washing our hand, washing our face, watering the plant, bathing and washing our clothes. So, these are the uses of water. We use water in many ways. So, next we will have sources of water. Sources of water. So, we get water mainly from rain. So, that is why we say that rain is the main source of water. Rain, what is the main source of water? Rain. Rain is the main source of water. Rainwater fills in river, lake, ponds and stream. Rainwater fills in river, lake, pond and stream. So, these are the sources of water. This river, lake, pond, stream are the sources of water. But main source of water is rain. If there is no rain, there will be no water in the river, lake, pond and stream. So, that is why rain is the main source of water. Next is groundwater. What is groundwater? The rainwater which goes below to the ground, that is called groundwater. The rainwater which goes below to the ground, that is called groundwater. And this water we can take through, we can draw through well and pumps and hand pumps, isn't it? So, we can take underground water by wells and hand pump. So, children, people build canals and dams to reserve the surface water. So, next we will come to the next point, drinking water. So, the water from different source is not good for drinking. For example, pond water. Can we drink pond water? No, it is not good for drinking because rainwater collect germs from the air. Rainwater collects germs and dust from the air. For example, already I told you, pond water. Water of the pond, it is not good for drinking. River water we cannot drink. So, we have to drink clean and germ-free water. So, how we will get germ-free water? So, this is the easy way, boiling. If we boil the water, then all the germs will die. All the germs will die and that is the germ-free water. And if we drink the germ-free water or clean water, it is good for our health. So we should drink clean and germ-free water. So we can clean water by three ways. We can clean water by three ways: boiling, filtering, and water purifying. Boiling, filtering, and water purifying. So these are the three ways to clean the water. Now next is saving water. So children, water is very precious. So we should not waste the water. We should not waste the water. Or should we waste the water? No, we should not waste the water. When we go to drink the water, and after using the tap, we have to turn off the tap. We should not waste the water. We have to use the glass. For drinking water, you have to use the glass. In the hand pump also, don't waste the water. Take it in the water bottle or glass, then you drink. So, see, I will show you the picture. This is the saving water. So, drinking water, which we have to keep covered. We have to keep covered. Washing or wastage of water. Wastage of water. We should not waste the water. We have to use the bucket. We have to use the bucket. Because use of bucket save water. Use of bucket save water. So children, when there is rain so we have to collect the water in the tub, bucket, tank. And that water we can use for cleaning the house, planting the tree. So that is the use of water. We have to collect the rainwater also in the bucket, tank and tub. And after that we can use the water for washing our house. So children, I hope you understood. So we have to save the water. So uses of water: drinking, cooking, bathing and washing. And sources of water: river, lake, pond, stream. But main source of water: rain. Main source of water is rain. Underground water: the water which goes below to the ground, that is called groundwater. And groundwater we can take through well and pumps. Drinking water, we have to drink clean water, germ-free water. And we can clean water by boiling, filtering and water purifying. Saving water, we have to use the bucket. We have to use the bucket because use of bucket save the water. So children, once again you also read lesson 10 and you will understand better. Thank you.